Hey there, Shane Huey, your home sold guaranteed Realty Atlanta. Today I've got some great news for you. I'm going to share with you what not to fix when selling your home in a seller's market. I've got 7 things I'm going to cover here, and then at the end I'm going to give you a bit of extra advice on how to maximize the amount of money that you can put in your pocket on your home sale. Number 1, cosmetic issues such as countertops, tile, electrical fixtures, plumbing fixtures, things of this sort. As long as they're in fair condition, functional, you should be fine. Even if you got that old yellow brass from the 90s, hey, you're still good as long as you don't have like wires hanging out everywhere, water's leaking, can't even turn the fixture off. You'll be good. I mean, just be reasonable in that regards. Number 2, kitchen and bath updates. Kitchen and baths indeed are the 2 most important places in a home that's going to determine the value. However, a full-blown renovation project is always only going to return a percentage of your dollars invested. So as long as it's in reasonably good condition, fair and functional, you're going to be in good shape. Number 3, old appliances, and as long as they are in fair condition and still functional, I would leave them. If they're broken, get rid of them. Get them out of there and let the buyer replace them with their own appliances. They can take care of that. Number 4, finishing your basement. You've been living in this home for a number of years and never got around to finishing that thing. Why would you do it now so that somebody else can benefit? Best case scenario, above grade living area versus below grade living area, you're only talking about 60 to 70% of the value. So you're already kind of behind the 8 ball at that point, but it doesn't pay to finish out a basement in most cases. So I would leave it be and let the buyer handle that. Number 6 is utility buildings. As long as they're in decent shape and not falling in, just leave them alone as is. And now if they're falling in and really dilapidated, I'd hire somebody to get them out of there. All right. And number 7, landscaping not affecting the curb appeal of the home. As long as your landscaping compares favorably to the average home in your neighborhood, you should be fine. If you've got some really ugly, shrubbery or something there that you need to do something with, it detracts from your home, I would have it removed and not replaced. That's what makes the most sense here with our current market conditions. So with my caveat for these 7 tips is you need to know the market data for your neighborhood. It's going to reveal that homes, comparable homes, are indeed selling with these conditions, and then no question what to expect with your home as well. So if you like this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to the channel. If you'd like to get more information on things that you can do that's going to help put more money in your pocket on your next home sale, please click the link below, and we'll see you here on the next video.